Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we'll crack on with our update, our weekly update that we do every Monday on the list of altcoins that we are tracking and trading in and out of. So we'll just go over to that list. So yeah, this is basically what I've compiled this week. This is basically the value of all the coins now and their BTC value. So you can see it's been a bit of a mixed bag overall, and obviously a lot of alts have been smashed this week with BTC rallying. What I would note is that our alts aren't actually down that much against BTC relative to what I think a lot of the alts overall are. I think the alts we picked are performing a bit better. So against BTC, our weekly change is only down just over 4% against Bitcoin. So that is pretty good, I think, because I have noticed a lot of alts getting absolutely hammered. USD wise, our weekly change is 5%. So if you were just transferring fiat into these coins that you otherwise would have held as fiat, then you've obviously got like a 5% gain this week, so that's obviously good. But obviously we're crypto guys here, aren't we? We got to measure everything in BTC value, and then when BTC goes up, that's great, and if it goes down, that's not great, is it? But yeah, so our total percentage change from start, so from USD, is actually 70% now. So if you'd invested 10 grand, you would have 17 grand now, 17,000 pounds or dollars or whatever, or pennies or anything, whatever it was. It's proportional. So yeah, so that is actually a really good gain for what is this? Is the fourth week, isn't it? Let me have a look. Or is it the fifth week? So this is the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. Oh, this must be. Oh, I've lost count, guys. I've lost count. Well, I know what I'll do. I know how we'll work it out. So this here is this was the original price. This was our first week. This was our second week. Wait a minute. Sorry, this was our first week. This was our second week. And then it changed a little bit because we added the change from the start. So this was our third week. So that makes, scroll along, makes this one our fourth week, which was last week. So yeah, so this is our fifth week, right? I'm glad I have cleared that up. So in our fifth week, done, 70% USD gain. So that's obviously phenomenal returns. That's market beating returns. Obviously you couldn't have done it with like a billion dollars or anything like that. But yeah, all in all though, I'm quite happy with the coins we picked. We've got some from the start. We've got some real big gainers here. Some real big gainers done really well. We've got a couple of losers. We have most notably this one, which is row number 31, which is Kasha. Yeah, I did actually notice Kasha. Yeah, Kasha has been dumping. It's getting to a point where I'm thinking of adding a little bit more to it, because just because, not that I necessarily add to losers, but because everything else has been pumping. Similar coins to Kasha have been pumping as well. So yeah, something I'm looking into. And then a couple of 22% loss, 25% loss, and 19% loss, and that is really it. Then we've just got massive gains, including 250%, 255%. Oh no, we've got a 59% loss here. What was this one? Let's get this one up. Oh no, that was Kasha. Sorry, that was Kasha. We did look at that one. Yeah, so yeah, 60%, 40%, 50%, 135%. So yeah, it's overall it's doing pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with it. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's the end of the video. I'll have our more detailed Binance altcoin trading video, Binance MXC trading. I'm just getting those getting those DOS coins from MXC that aren't trading on there anymore over to BitMax, and then I'll sell them and transfer the BTC back to MXC, and then we'll have just the MXC and Binance totals to look at for our overall amount. And I'm thinking we'll be back in the green BTC wise today. Obviously we're well in the green USD wise, but yeah, BTC wise also. So we'll catch up with that later. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. We're not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys soon.